Hello, creative buddies. Welcome back to Flying with Art. First of all, wish you all a very happy holidays and happy new year. In today's video, I will be making this table lamp, which is a unique idea to dispel the darkness. This project contained many elements. First comes the lamp part. For making lamp, I am using PVC pipe, then inserting the wire to it, and then fixing the bulb holder to it with the help of glue gun. For making base of the lamp, I am using a plastic jar and fixing its cap to the bulb holder with the help of glue gun like so that after closing the jar, it becomes a lamp. Now for making a base of the lamp, I am using plaster of Paris and spreading it to the plastic sheet so that we can later remove it easily. If you are new here for the very first time, please subscribe to Flying with Art and hit the notification bell and select all notifications so that you never miss an update. Inserting some pieces of wire to the base so that base gains some strength. For making base of the snowman, I am using wire and twisting the wire to make the body of the snowman like so. Using aluminium foil to make body of the snowman so that later we can cover it with clay. I am using homemade cold porcelain clay and making thin sheet of it and then covering the body of the snowman with this sheet with the help of white glue. Applying more clay to give it a proper structure and smoothing it with the help of water. For making its nose, I am using a thin piece of wire and then cover the wire with the clay and then inserting the wire to its face. Making snakes of clay to make it smile and its eyebrows. Now I am taking a piece of cardboard and sticking it to the bottle with the help of glue gun to make a house-like design. Again cutting piece of cardboard and sticking it to the roof. Again rolling some snakes of clay to make some designs on the lamp. Cutting some pieces of cardboard to make design on the roof and sticking it with the help of glue gun. completes the design of the lamp. Now sticking the snowman to the base with the help of PVA glue and cold porcelain clay. Now I'm making the cardinal bird which is sitting on the hand of the snowman. Using my knife to give it a proper shape and then sticking it to the hand with the help of glue. Now I am making candies by sticking the clay around the wire. Now making small little gift by sticking small pieces of cardboard. Now comes the painting part. For painting, I am using acrylic color. First, I am painting the base with the help of white color. Shading it with the help of light blue color. Painting the snowman with white acrylic color. Painting its cap with green and red color. Also painting its scarf with green and red color and its gloves in red and white color. Using brown color for painting its hands. For painting cardinal bird, I am using olive color and giving some shades of red orange to it. Using black color for its eyes, eyebrows and smile, and orange color for its nose. Now painting the birdhouse with lavender color. Now I'm wrapping the gifts with different wrapping paper and put ribbon around them. Now comes the decorating part of the house. For this I am using some embellishments and artificial leaves. Now sticking some silver and golden pearls and some crystals, stars to the birdhouse. Putting a golden thread around it and finishing it with a ribbon. Arranging all the elements around the snowman. Making snow at the roof with the help of gesso. Spreading it with the help of knife. And sprinkling baking soda to give it a natural effect. After putting the bulb, here is the final look. Subscribe to Flying with Art and hit the notification bell and select all notifications so that you never miss an update. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.